Hi y'all! Welcome back to my channel for those who are returning, and welcome for those who are new. So I'm just going to do a quick unboxing because I'm still on vacation, so just enjoying time with family. And I got this baby at the Travelers Company store in the Tokyo train station. So this is an exclusive just for that particular location. Here we go. I'm going to try not to get any light glare because I don't have my tripod, and this is a very weird position right now where my phone is. Okay, here we go. And as you can see, it's in the brown. Oh, there's even more plastic. And the rubber band, you can use this also in the travelers right here. So don't ever throw those away, apparently. And then you have an orange one if you want to change the color of the band. Okay, then I'm going to move this box out of the way. And all this. So it comes in this cloth cover. Oh, it's pretty nice. It's got the gold foil embossing within the leather. This is definitely going to patina to a lighter brown color, I'm sure, when it starts getting dinged up, scratched, and all that. And it comes with one of the books. It just has their information right there on the website. And this is just their cream color blank sheets. It comes with the bookmark. Only has one string, but I did get some jump cords. So I got these jump cords for them, and I got some books, which you may have seen the video of where my kids and I stamped at the stamp at that particular location. So this is new and it's super dark, but there is pull-up, so if you bend it like this, you'll see the light brown, and that's what it's going to get when you have it for a long time. It's going to turn this light brown, or lighter brown. There's one other thing that I got, which is, it's the insert that you can put ephemera in for the zipper compartment. This one is a lot softer than the pocket size one that I got, or passport size that I got. The passport size is thicker, I think. This is much softer and more pliable than the passport size that I got. The passport size is a little bit more stiff. And this has 3 little compartments for washi tape samples. And then another compartment in here that has the Velcro closure. And it has the travel company label that's sewed in. So it just goes in between your books. like that. And then closes like that. There you go. And then lastly, I got this train charm that I was going to put on here. Oh, already scratched it up. There you go. That's a memory right there. Okay, so it's on there. I don't know if I like it on there. I mean, it looks really good. It looked really good on like other people's traveler's notebooks, but I don't know. It just, maybe, I don't know. Maybe I just gotta get used to it, but it kind of slides. Is it supposed to do that? Oh well, I'll figure it out. I don't know if I want to do that or something else. We'll see. My kids and I were stamping with the stamps particularly made for the Tokyo train station, Travelers Company store location. I don't think you can buy them. I think you have to visit the store in order to use them. So we had a lot of fun, created a lot of memories, and I'm so happy that we found the store and that we were able to use these stamps. So we didn't realize how big this train station is. It's got like a whole mall inside of it, and so we really got lost. And my daughter has been living here for a little over a year, but she doesn't live in Tokyo. She's about an hour or two away, I believe, via train. So she's never been really in this mall. A few times she was, but she also got lost. So with all our efforts, we finally found the store, and I'm so happy that we were able to, because we enjoyed ourselves so much creating and personalizing these inserts and also creating some memories.
Okay, well, we seriously got lost. So here it is, the Travelers section. It took like 30 minutes to find it, y'all. We just don't know. Really hard to find.